welcome back to my channel Grishma Vlogs. This is Grishma. Hope you are doing well. I am also very good. And today I am going to do a important video that is job opportunities for the agriculture graduates. As I am the agriculture graduate, I hope this video will be very helpful to the students who are thinking to take admission in the BSc Agriculture, and also for the students who are pursuing and completed BSc Agriculture. And of course this video will be very helpful to the MSc students also. Actually I am suffering from little throat infection. Please bear with my voice. And now let's get into the video. As we know, the jobs are categorized into two types: nationwide jobs and statewide jobs. Now first we'll be discussing about the nationwide jobs. And now the first job is IBPS AFO. I know many of the agriculture students are well aware about this job, and even though we'll be discussing now about this job. First of all, IBPS means Institute of Banking and Personnel Selections. In this IBPS, this is conducting for the post AFO, Agriculture Field Officer. This AFO post will be in the banks, and this IBPS will be conducting every year this exam. This is a every year regular basis notification, and mostly this notification will be coming in the months of October and November. And now if we see about the most important qualifications and eligibility for this exam, the age is of about 21 to 30 years, and this exam can be written by not only agriculture students but also horticulture students, forestry students and other some related courses. And also if we discuss about the pattern, the exam pattern, marks, etc. This exam has of 3 stages: prelims, mains and interview. If we discuss about prelims has 3 sections: reasoning, quantitative aptitude and English. These 3 sections are of 50 questions, 120 questions and 125 marks. English is of only 25 marks, and reasoning 50, quantitative aptitude 50, 125 marks. And we have negative marking also, that is of 1/4 mark, and we have timing of 120 minutes, 40 minutes, 40 minutes, 40 minutes for 3 sections. This is a pattern for the prelims, and I'll be keeping here the pattern for you for clear understanding. The students who are qualified in prelims will be promoted to the mains, the second stage. The main stage will be of total the professional knowledge, only the agriculture syllabus. The questions will be of 60 questions, 60 marks and 45 minutes. We have only 45 minutes for 60 questions. And the students who are qualified in mains, they will be promoted to the interview section. The interview is of 100 marks. And later the written exam, that is the mains exam, will be converted into mains exams marks will be converted into 80%, and the interview marks will be converted into 20%. This 80 and 20% will be equal to 100%. In this way they will be giving a cut-off mark. In that way they will be calculating the marks and selecting the candidates for the postings. This is a main procedure and the stages involved in the IBPS AFO examination. Now we'll be discussing about the salaries and promotion channels. The salary will be of 50,000 including all allowances for the person who are selected for this AFO posting. And if we discuss about the promotion channels, the scale 1 is the officer, agriculture field officer, and will be promoted to the scale 2 manager post, and later scale 3 senior manager, scale 4 chief manager, scale 5 assistant general manager, scale 6 deputy general manager, and at last scale 7 is the general manager. This is the promotion channel for this AFO posting. I hope you understood clearly about this IBPS AFO. Now we'll be discussing about the second notification, that is NABARD. NABARD means National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Every year we will be getting 2 notifications under NABARD, that is grade A assistant manager and grade B manager post. And first now we will be discussing about grade A. The age limit for grade A is 21 to 30 years. If we discuss about the pattern and stages in grade A, we have 3 stages in grade A: prelims, mains and interview. In prelims we have different sections like reasoning, quantitative aptitude, English, decision making, general awareness, computer knowledge, economic and social issues, agriculture and rural development. 200 questions, 200 marks and only 120 minutes. And we have a negative marking of 1/4 mark. This is the prelims pattern, and who are qualified in prelims will be promoted to mains. The main section has two papers. Paper 1 is of general English, the descriptive way. 3 questions, 100 marks and only 90 minutes. We have to write the 3 questions in the descriptive manner. And the paper 2 is of professional knowledge, agricultural syllabus. We have of about 2 sections like objective, 30 questions, 50 marks, 30 minutes. And descriptive, we have to attempt 4 questions out of 6 questions. We have marks of 50 marks and 90 minutes. Total 120 minutes, 100 marks, and in objective 30 questions and in descriptive 4 questions out of 6 questions. This is a pattern for paper 2. And the persons who are qualified in mains will be promoted to the interview. The interview is of 50 marks. This is a pattern and procedure for the grade A, that is assistant manager posting. Now we will be discussing the grade B manager posting. Manager posting is also same as grade A, but there will be a slight difference. I'll be explaining that with you now. Now we'll be discussing about the third notification, that is under NABARD grade B manager post. The prelims will be same like reasoning, quantitative aptitude, English, decision making, general awareness, computer knowledge, economic and social issues, and agriculture and rural development. The same topics, 200 marks, 200 questions and only 120 minutes, and same as negative marking is 1/4 mark. And in the mains, there will be a change. That is, in mains, we will be having 3 papers in grade B. The first paper is same, English, the general English, descriptive manner. 3 questions, 100 marks, 90 minutes. And for paper 2, we have the syllabus of economic and social issues on rural areas and agriculture and rural development. We have, for this is 100 marks and 120 minutes. And we have negative marking also 1/4 mark. And we have paper 3 also. The syllabus is development of economics, statistics, finance and management. This paper 3 is of 100 marks, 120 minutes. And the next stage is obviously the interview. The interview is of 75 marks. If we discuss about the age limit, the grade B has 25 to 31 years of age limit. And if we discuss about the salaries for grade A and grade B, the grade A has 7 to 8 lakhs per year and the grade B has 8 to 10 lakhs per year. This is a very good pay scale we have for NABARD notifications. And now we will be discussing about the fourth notification, that is IFFCO, Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative Limited. The post under this IFFCO is Agriculture Graduate Trainee, AGT. The age limit for this AGT post is the person should be under 30 years. And in this IFFCO we have 2 stages, prelims and mains. We have no interview for this IFFCO notification. And if we go for the prelims, the exam will be from the home. The persons who are qualified in prelims will be promoted to mains, and the mains exam will be in the center itself. Only the prelims will be from the home. Due to this exam is from the home, they have provided very less time for us. For 150 questions we have only 60 minutes, and in the mains also we have same 150 questions, but we have 120 minutes in the mains exam due to the exam is conducted in the center. So this is a pattern. And if we discuss about the questions, we have 150 questions, 100 questions is from the agriculture knowledge and 50 questions is from reasoning, analytical ability, numerical ability, general awareness and communication skills. Other 50 questions will be covered from these topics, and 150 questions, 150 marks, and 120 minutes for mains and 60 minutes for prelims. We have same syllabus for mains and prelims, probably 95% same syllabus. This is a pattern for the IFFCO. And we have no negative marking for IFFCO, and we have no interview for IFFCO. And we discuss about the salaries regarding IFFCO notification, agriculture graduate trainee. The salaries is of about 4 to 4.5 lakhs per annum. Now we will be going into the fifth notification, that is NFL, National Fertilizers Limited. This is a single exam, no prelims mains, only single exam, and the post under this NFL is marketing representative. The age limit for this exam is the person should be under 30 years, and the exam pattern is of about 150 questions. 100 questions are of from agriculture and 50 questions are of from quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English, general awareness and computer knowledge. Another 50 questions will be covered by these topics, and 100 questions are of from agriculture. Total 150 questions, 150 marks, and the time is of about 120 minutes. This is the pattern for the exam. If we discuss about the salaries regarding NFL marketing representative, the salary is of about 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. I hope I covered all the topics regarding these all 5 notifications. Those are, the first one is IBPS AFO Agriculture Field Officer, and the second one under the NABARD Grade A Assistant Manager, and the third one Grade B Manager, and the fourth one IFCO Agriculture Graduate Trainee, and the fifth one is National Fertilizers Limited NFL Marketing Representative. These are the 5 notifications which I covered in this video. I hope this video will be very helpful to all the agriculture graduates. I think you all understood everything. If you have any doubts about these all notifications, please comment down in the comment box. I will be answering for each and every comment in the comment box. And please do supporting my channel and my videos. And I will be posting more videos continuing for this video. This will be the part 1. I will be doing more parts continuing with this video. We have more job opportunities for the agriculture graduates. Don't miss those videos. If you don't want to miss those videos, please do subscribe for my channel and hit the bell icon. You will be not missing any other further videos. Each and every notification will be coming to you when I will be posting the videos in my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe for my channel. Stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.